Hey, shopping for your first vacuum cleaner? Listen up. The Oraimo UltraCleaner S cordless, model OSV-103, has earned my stamp of approval after a year of heavy use. From day one, it impressed me, and 12 months later, it still performs like new. In this video, I'll tell you why this vacuum is a reliable, versatile cleaning powerhouse, and why I confidently recommend it to first-time buyers like you. After a full year of daily use, the Oraimo S cordless has proven remarkably dependable. The brushless motor still runs strong, and the suction power hasn't faded. Even after countless sessions, I've had zero breakdowns or performance drops. The battery life remains excellent. I regularly get up to 50 minutes of runtime on a charge. And if you accidentally run low, it's easy to pause and recharge. Best of all, the filter system is simple to clean. The multi-stage filtration, including a washable HEPA filter, traps even fine dust and pet hair, and I just rinse it out every few weeks to keep it fresh. Over the year, this vacuum has never clogged or lost suction, thanks to that advanced 5-stage filter. In short, it's built to last and keeps on delivering. What I love most is how versatile the Oraimo S cordless is. It handles hardwood floors, tiled floors, carpets, area rugs, even upholstery and car interiors without breaking a sweat. The motorized brush head glides easily from wood to carpet, picking up crumbs, dust, and pet fur alike. And it has powerful suction, up to 27 kilopascals in high mode, that never misses a spot. I've cleaned stairs, baseboards, and even the sofa and curtains with the crevice and brush attachments included. Those accessory tools are a game changer. The crevice tool gets into tight corners and between couch cushions, while the small brush attachment gently lifts pet hair from fabric. The vacuum's head also has a built-in bright LED light, which is fantastic for spotting hidden dust in dark corners and under furniture. The Oraimo S was clearly designed with real homes in mind. It's completely cordless, so there are no tangles or limits. You can roam freely from room to room, or even take it out to the car. Despite its power, it's surprisingly lightweight, about 10 pounds, and comfortable to maneuver, even up high on drapes or down low under the bed. Another smart feature: it has a self-standing design. That means you can simply set it upright anywhere without leaning it against a wall. No more vacuum toppling over. It stands on its own, making it super easy to pause cleaning and come back later. I also appreciate the intuitive controls and the clear LED display on the handle, which shows battery level at a glance. Very helpful, so you know exactly when to recharge. With a long-lasting battery and a large dust bin, you don't have to interrupt cleaning every 5 minutes. The 0.8-liter dust cup is easy to empty. Just twist open and tap out the debris. And I've found I only need to empty it once or twice per large cleaning session. The battery itself is removable, so if you ever want an extra battery pack for even longer runtime, the design accommodates that too. In all this time, the battery has held strong, I still get the full runtime as advertised, and recharges quickly. For daily cleaning of a moderate-sized home, this means I'm usually done without ever topping up mid-job. In summary, the Oraimo UltraCleaner S cordless OSV-103 has been fantastic for me. It's powerful, dependable, and versatile enough to tackle every cleaning task in the house. For a first-time buyer, it hits all the right notes: cordless freedom, strong suction, handy attachments, and easy maintenance. There's virtually no learning curve. Assembly is straightforward, and using it feels natural right away. Even after a year, I've found only little to complain about, and every time I plug it in, it feels like day one all over again. If you want a vacuum that just works, This is a solid choice. I wholeheartedly recommend the Oraimo S cordless for anyone new to vacuum shopping or anyone who wants a reliable all-rounder. Thanks for watching this review, and if it was helpful, please subscribe for more honest product reviews and tips. Happy cleaning, and see you next time.